Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. I have quite a few job leads in today's video to share with you. I've been trying to mix things up on this channel before, do some short videos that only include one job lead and do some longer videos that include multiple job leads because everybody likes something different, and I'm trying to help everybody just work from home, living your happiest, healthiest life. So if you enjoy any of these job leads, please give these videos a thumbs up like button because that does give me direct feedback. As always, the links to all the pages I share are directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. But we are going to not waste any time today. We are going to dive all in. I do have a job I have two different jobs in this video that are both non-phone customer support based. One of them is from Cash App. They are paying up to $31 an hour, and it's not even like website chat. It is through social media, comments, and messaging. We're going to get to it. But first up, we have the company Staples. If you're one of these people who like regular customer service or don't mind talking on the phone to people, Staples is hiring a special order account rep. Now, if you notice, it says this job is available in 2 locations. When you click the little see all, it pops up and says any location remote United States. So they are hiring throughout the United States with no state restrictions as far as I can tell. Now, they are paying $20 an hour. But they're basically looking for somebody to organize daily tasks to meet those crucial deadlines for their customer service level agreements. You're going to manage projects that can include multiple destination shipments, fulfillments, and rush orders. You're going to anticipate the customer needs by understanding the customer's account history. You're going to problem solve any issues with any orders and provide the best possible solution to the customer. Also preparing quotes and processing orders through the order entry process. You'll create product identification by sourcing the approved suppliers, researching the trends, and working internally with the merchandising team. Now, they are looking for somebody who's great communication skills, great organizational skills, great attention to detail, and who can multitask. You do need at least 2 years of customer service experience and be able to work those Microsoft Office systems, but of course, no college degree is needed. Now, next up, we have the company Muck Rack. I have featured Muck Rack on this channel before. They have 87 reviews on Glassdoor with a 4.8 out of 5 stars, so they do come very highly rated out of the 87 people that have reviewed them. They are hiring a customer support specialist. Again, this is remote for the United States. Now, this is going to be a non-phone customer support job. Muck Rack is a leading software as a solution or software as a service, a platform for public relations and communication professionals. So they offer software solutions to professionals. You're going to serve as a first responder for inbound communications through their website. You'll answer the customer questions and provide how to help on Muck Rack's capabilities with a focus on reducing customer effort and furthering product knowledge. You're going to help them with any issues with the software that they're having through the website. So I imagine this might be website chat, email, ticketing systems, things like that. You're going to escalate and diagnose any software issues. You'll follow site issues and resolution of the customer's satisfaction. Now, as far as what they're looking for, they prefer somebody who has 1 to 2 years of experience in some kind of technical support, someone who has great communication skills, specifically you working with customers through chat and email, it says, someone who is familiar with tools like Google Apps, HubSpot, Slack, GitHub, things like that, and someone who has experience working in public relations is preferred. Now, even though they're hiring throughout the United States, they're looking for somebody to work 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you've got to convert your hours to that and make sure that that will work for you. But of course, pay for this position is going to be $27 an hour. And of course, as promised, if you're looking for that high pay and non-phone customer service type role, Cash App is hiring a social response specialist. This is remote for the United States. So their social response specialist is going to be customer support basically through all your social media channels. Cash App's social response team is looking for someone to join the role to assist Cash App customers through Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Reddit, TikTok, LinkedIn, and any other social media channels as they expand into other things. Additional requirements include outage management, such as updating their status page and sharing the Cash customer operations outage communications. So when they have an outage and Cash App isn't working, you're going to be responsible for posting that on the social media and letting the customers know. Now, as far as qualifications and what they're looking for, no college degree is needed. They do want somebody who has strong written communication skills with the ability to explain complicated product and policy concepts in simple language. So you're able to take a technical concept and then explain it in normal language so people can understand. Someone who has a proactive nature, a sense of urgency, and someone who has great motivation. You don't mind going above and beyond for the customer, and someone who is a problem solver. Now, Cash App, it does pay based on location and experience. As most remote work from home jobs, they break down the United States into different zones. If you want to know what zone your state is in, they do have a resource linked right here, but pay is going to be dependent really heavily on that zone location. Pay is anywhere from $23 an hour all the way up to $31.30 an hour. Of course, they also offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, paid time off, 401k. Next up, we have Rocket Money. They are hiring an operations associate for their cancellation division, and this is remote for the United States. Now, I have seen advertisements for Rocket Money on YouTube before, but they are on a mission to empower people to live their best financial life. So they offer a unique understanding of finances for their members and different financial services. So they're looking for somebody to develop, maintain, and execute processes that provide key services to their customers or users, someone who can prioritize multiple work queues and manage daily workflow to make sure requests are resolved quickly and efficiently, resolving unique situations and improving those workflows to account for uncommon issues. They're looking for somebody who is detail oriented, can be organized, a team player, and has those great computer skills. They're offering standard benefit package that includes health, dental, vision, a 401k, paid time off, and they're paying anywhere from $20 an hour all the way up to $24 an hour. Next up, we have the company Taskrabbit. Now, you may have heard of Taskrabbit before. You can work for Taskrabbit in different scenarios, but you can hire people who work for Taskrabbit to come do tasks for you. That's not what this job is, but they are looking for someone to answer those phones and do that customer service. So Taskrabbit has 120 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.6 and a 5-star rating, and they are hiring a customer support representative, again remote for the United States. So basically, you're going to be responsible for handling those customer inquiries from their users while driving a one-touch resolution experience. You'll monitor daily deliverables and fulfillment and make sure that they are fulfilled and completed, providing assistance to the users along the way. So you'll assist the users in their entire experience across their whole dual-side marketplace, addressing and solving any user issues through live channels while maintaining and exceeding those KPIs. You'll build connections and trust with those users or customers, and you'll be proactive to work with the users, making sure time, delivery, and exceptional services is received by them for whoever is outsourced to come do the task that they have hired you to do, or Taskrabbit to do. Now, this is a customer service position, so they're looking for somebody who has 2 years of customer service experience. They want somebody who has knowledge of CRM tools is preferred, someone who is tech curious, great typing skills, you can use a computer, someone who has great communication skills, and you do, again, have to be eligible to work in the United States. Now, Taskrabbit, unfortunately, did not list the salary for their job. That actual salary will need to be discussed at the time of the interview, but on Glassdoor, they have a whole customer service page, and it looks like, looking at the range of different people who have reported their salaries as a customer support associate for Taskrabbit to Glassdoor, the main pay is anywhere from $44,000 a year and can go all the way up to like $63,000 a year, and that's going to be dependent on your location and experience. All right. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please leave down below in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. And also let me know if you prefer these bigger videos that have multiple job leads crammed into one as to not waste your time, or you prefer the smaller one-off videos. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you did enjoy it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.